Hi, I'm Larry, and this is part 3 of frequently asked questions about power screeds. Let's get going. For Tomahawk products, we offer a 1-year warranty on all these power screeds. And then the Honda engine is an outlier, and that's a 3-year commercial grade engine warranty. And that's a commercial warranty on all the products, so that means you can use it every day. Can take a beating. If there's any issues, we will take care of you. All right, in addition to warranties, does Tomahawk work with service centers? Absolutely. We have service centers nationwide in Canada and the United States. We have it in the islands. We have it in other countries. So we do work with service centers. The good news is these engines are very easy to work on. A majority of the issues are related to engines or maintenance, and the internal parts are not complicated. In addition to service centers, if you wanted to work on the equipment yourself, not a problem. You can order all the parts off our website. We have warehouses full of spare parts. We'll get those parts out to you quickly. If you have a question, you can call customer service. We'll send you videos and help you get your equipment running. So our job is really just help you and make your job a lot easier. And another common question I get, is it easy to replace these blades? Take them off and change sizes? Absolutely. Bring your different blades to a job site. In the particular instance of this one, it only has 2 bolts on the back. It'll take less than a minute. And if you have like an impact wrench with a socket, a deep socket on it, this one's like a 19 mm, that one's a 17. You can get it done even faster than that. Or you can just use a standard crescent. But the idea is, like if you have obstacles when you're doing your slab, you can switch from like a 4-foot to a 16-foot to an 8-foot in a job. It's not supposed to be difficult. So there's only 2 bolts on the back of these. Power screeds are meant to make your job easier. So switching blades, that's not gonna be a worry. All right, thank you for taking the time to hear questions about power screeds. I hope you guys learned a little bit. If you have more questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll be sure to try to reach out to you and get those answered. But thank you for learning, and we'll see you guys out there.